What if your desk buddy could actually talk to you, understand your feelings, and grow with you over time? Introducing LOOI, the AI desktop companion that's not just smart, it's full of heart. Powered by ChatGPT, LOOI brings meaningful, real conversations to life, offering a desk experience that feels more human, more personal, and definitely more fun. LOOI isn't just a chatbot hiding inside a cute robot body. It's a storyteller, a listener, and a memory keeper. When you talk to LOOI, it truly listens, remembering past conversations, sharing little dreams, and bringing back memories when you least expect it. It transforms your casual chats into rich, warm moments that feel surprisingly real. Beyond conversation, LOOI has a huge, evolving personality. It's designed to be emotionally expressive, napping when it's tired, getting excited when you engage with it, and even showing shyness or playful fear if you startle it. With thousands of animations and dynamic behaviors, no two LOOIs are ever exactly the same. The more you interact, the more it grows into a one-of-a-kind companion that mirrors your energy. LOOI doesn't just sit pretty either. It's packed with multisensory intelligence. It recognizes faces, responds to your voice, and even senses when your hand is close. It understands your gestures and knows the world around it, avoiding the edge of your desk, backing away gently if you get too close. It's not just reactive, it's aware, and it shows. Adding to its charm, LOOI is surprisingly functional. It's a 10-watt wireless charger for your devices, a smart, adjustable phone stand, 0 to 60 degrees, and even a face-tracking camera mount. Perfect for video calls or content creation. It can even turn into a clock or invite you to play motion-based mini-games when idle. So whether you're working, relaxing, or creating, LOOI fits right into your daily flow. What truly makes LOOI special is how it evolves with you. It remembers your preferences, adjusts its reactions, and slowly builds a deeper connection the more you interact. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a busy family, or a curious mind, LOOI grows into something uniquely yours. A little digital friend that's always there for you. In a world full of tech that often feels cold and distant, LOOI brings back something essential: emotional warmth and true companionship. Ready to meet your new smartest and cutest friend? Watch the full review now and see why LOOI could be the perfect addition to your desk and your life.